While welcoming the initiatives of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on empowering women with 33% quota for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies, she expressed whether this bill will happen quickly or it will take time.
Please do not confuse our customary practices with the politics and the changing. I think women are, leaders naturally. There's an inborn quality for women in general to be active in so many spheres of issues in the community. I don't think much preparation has to go on. Now let's hope this bill takes shape quickly. Let's hope you declare. You will have to decide whether it will be a balloted procedure, whether it will go by odd numbers, by even numbers. Is it going to be number 1 and then number 4, number 7? So the modalities have to now be worked on. I appeal to my government. Give this bill a chance.